Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Rajesh Kanwar as your companion on this journey to a healthier and more aligned self. In our previous video, we explored Parivrtta Parsvakonasana, Revolved Triangle Pose. In today's session, let's delve into Parivrtta Parsvakonasana, Revolved Side or Lateral Angle Pose. We will break it down step by step, talking about the pose's shape, how to get into the pose, what to focus on during the pose, how to get out of it, and the benefits it offers. We will practice this pose together. Grab your mat and let's begin. Are you ready? Today's pose is Parivrtta Parsvakonasana, Revolved Side or Lateral Angle Pose. It is a revolved standing pose where the back leg is straight and the front leg is bent. The back leg side hand comes on the outside of the front ankle or on the brick extending down, while the other arm or front leg side arm extends overhead. Trunk is turning. Parivrtta Parsvakonasana, Revolved Side Angle Pose. So we will do this pose with the brick. So set up your two bricks on the back edges of your mat on the middle height. Then start with mountain pose. Bend your leg, jump or step your feet wide apart. Trunk extended, arm reaching. Turn your left foot in, turn your right leg all the way out. Bend your right leg. On an exhale, bring your left arm outside of your right ankle on the brick. Right hand on your vest. Then press down into your outer left heel. Lift the top of your left thigh up. Press down through your right big toe. Press your right knee into your left arm. As you press your left arm back into your right knee, then turn your trunk from left to right. Bring your right arm overhead and look up. Then to come out, press into your outer left heel, pull through your left arm. Inhale, come up, and then repeat on another side. Bring your brick slightly back. Turn your right foot in, turn your left leg all the way out. On an exhale, bend your left leg. Press down into your outer right heel. On an exhale, bring your right hand down on the brick outside of your left ankle. Left hand on your vest. Then press down into your outer right heel. Bring the top of your right thigh back. Press down through your left big toe. Press your left knee and right arm into each other as you turn from your right bottom rib cage. Then bring your left arm overhead and look up. To come out, press into your outer right heel, pull through your right arm. Inhale, come up. Then bend your leg, jumpers, mountain pose. Parivrtta Parsvakonasana, it is a demanding pose. So as a modification, we can practice it by keeping the back leg heel off from the floor and come on the balls of your feet, and then just hook your elbow outside of the front leg. So let's practice this way, and I will start with facing my back towards you. Start with mountain pose. Bend your leg, jump or step your feet wide apart, and then turn your left leg in and turn your right leg all the way out, and then we come on the balls of our left foot. Lift the left heel off the floor, then exhale, bend your right leg. Press down through the balls of your left foot. Keep the left heel off the floor. Then on exhale, hook your left elbow outside of your right leg. Keep your right hand on your vest. Press down into the balls of your left foot. Lift the top of your left thigh. Press left elbow into the right knee as you press down through your right heel. Extend your trunk. Turn your trunk from left to the right. Then to come out, press down into the balls of your left foot. Inhale, come up. Reach through your arms and then repeat on another side. Turn your right foot in. Turn your left leg all the way out. Lift your right heel off the floor. Come on the balls of your foot. Maintain it as you exhale. Bend your left leg. Bend your left leg. Press down through the balls of your right foot. Then on exhale, hook your right elbow outside of your left thigh. Press down through the balls of your right foot. Lift the top of your right thigh back. Press your right elbow into your left leg. Press down through your left heel as you turn your trunk from right to the left. Then to come out, press down through your right toe mounts. Pull through your right arm. Inhale, come up. Then bend your leg, jump or step back to mountain pose. Another modification for Parivrtta Parsvakonasana from kneeling. So come in kneeling position. I'll show you from my front and then another side I'll show you from my side as well. So you kneel down, toes extended towards the back wall. Then bend your right leg and bring your right leg in front. So your knees is just above your ankle. You extend through your left toe mounts. Press your left shin down. Press down through your right heel. Then inhale, bring your left arm up. On an exhale, hook your left elbow outside of your right knee. Presses down through your left shin. Extend through your left big toes. Press your left elbow into your right knee as you turn your torso from left to the right. Then to come out, press your left shin down. Pull through your left arm. Inhale, come up. Then bring your right leg back. Sit back on your heels for a while. And then we repeat on another side. This time I'll show you from my side. Bring your left leg forward. So your heel just under your knee or your shin is vertical to the floor. Reach through your right big toes. Press your right shin down into the floor. Inhale, bring your right arm up. Press down through your right shin. On an exhale, bring your right elbow to hook outside of your left knee. Bring your left hand on your waist. Extend through your big toes. Press down through your right shin. Press your left heel into the floor. Press your right elbow into your left knee as you turn your torso from right to the left. Then to come out, press your right shin down. Pull through your right arm. Inhale, come up. Bring your left leg back and sit back on your heels. Benefits of Parivrtta Parsvakonasana. This pose facilitates improved digestion by contracting the abdominal organs, promoting better circulation throughout the abdominal area and spinal column, leading to rejuvenation. Additionally, it aids in waste removal from the colon without causing strain by incorporating lateral rotational movement. It enhances spinal mobility while also boosting blood supply to the lower spinal region. Moreover, it revitalizes and activates the liver, kidneys, spleen, intestines, and pancreas, thereby enhancing metabolism. In this series of yoga poses, we will practice another pose in our next video. Thank you for joining me on this journey to better alignment through yoga. Please support by liking, subscribing and hitting the notification bell to stay informed about our wellness journey together. Share your thoughts. What do you think about these videos in the comments below? Until next time, stay aligned, stay mindful. Namaste.